Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to delete pages from a PDF file without using any PDF editor in Windows computer. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, let me show you. Here I have a PDF file on my desktop screen. So you can see here written as PDF. So it is a PDF file. So let me show you its properties also to make you clear. So you can see here it's a PDF file. So I will not use any PDF editor or any PDF viewer to delete pages from this respective PDF file. So what I will do is I will use any web browser like a Chrome web browser, or you can use a Microsoft Edge web browser. Even you can use a Mozilla Firefox also. So in this case I will be using a Google Chrome, but the process and tricks will remain the same for rest browsers also. So you can use either any three of them like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge or even Firefox. So in my case I'll be using a Google Chrome. So what I will do, I'll just select this PDF, just right click, and I'll just select it open with. Now I will choose Google Chrome to open it. So you can see it's a PDF file. So here lots of pages are there. Total you can see here, and above here you can see total 97. So what I will do, I will delete some pages from this book that is a PDF file. So for this what I will do, you can see here print, just click on this print. Or you can do one thing, if you don't find any print icon, then you can press a Ctrl P also. That is a shortcut to launch a print. Ctrl P on your computer keyboard. You can press Ctrl P also if you don't get this printer icon. Now what you need to do, you need to select here. You can see here see more. So here are tons of printers is available in my respective computer. So generally when you install a Windows computer, you will get this Microsoft Print to PDF. Even in the Chrome you have an option to save as PDF. So if you don't find a Microsoft Printer to PDF, you can click on save as PDF, or if you have this option, then I will highly recommend you to choose this Microsoft Print to PDF. So just select this. Now you can see here just below this destination, here you can see pages, right? Just you can see here option all, just click on it. Now you can see here below custom, just click on it. Now you can see your example to mention which you want to keep. So if you want to keep 1 to 5, then you can keep like this. You need to type like this. No need to type this e.g, it's just for example. So if you want to keep pages like from 1 to 5, then just type like this. And you want to delete 6, 7, and you want to keep 8, then you want to remove 9, 10, and rest you want to keep like this. So you can keep the same process. Just for example, I will just type the exactly same pages like 1 to 5. I'll just keep as exactly what it is given in the example. You can choose depending upon your needs, just for to show you how you can do it, just to show you. And what you need to do is, after that you need to type on 8 and again put a comma, and again I'll just put this exact page number 11 to 13. So total you can see here, total is 1 to 5, 8, and 11 to 13. So you can see here total number of pages that will be available after removing the rest pages from a PDF file. I will have just 9 sheets of paper. So once you are done with your customizations, just click on print. Now it will ask you to give a name. Now you can see here options of PDF, and choose the location where you want to save this file. I'll just keep it on desktop, and now I'll just click on save. Now it will show you a printer icon below. Now don't worry, you don't go to the printer or to print anything since it's a virtual printer. Now what you need to do, just let us close this, and now you can see here the new PDF file which you have edited, which consists of 9 sheet pages. So just let me show you its properties. It's a PDF file. So let us open it with web browser again to confirm how many total number of pages are there. So you can see here in the above total number of 9 pages. So the rest pages are being deleted. Only the pages which I have selected are available here. So in this way you can delete pages from a PDF file without using any PDF editor in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then try it out today. And a good thing is that you don't need any PDF viewer or editor to do this kind of task. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.